Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add users without Microsoft account in MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, and right here enter accounts. Scroll down and find other users. Click on Add Account. Then you'll be able to select I don't have this person sign-in information and add user without Microsoft account. Now you can fill up the name for that user. Also, if you don't want any passwords, leave the enter password and re-enter password empty and proceed with the next to create a new account. And here we have it, new account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.